discover the hilarious spiritual insights behind 2 sneezes. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you sneeze once, and before you can even say bless you, you let out another? Achoo! Well, get ready to dive into the comical world of sneezing, where the second sneeze is not just an echo but a cosmic confirmation of all things ridiculous and profound. The gossip alert, double trouble. In many cultures, especially in East Asia, sneezing once means someone is talking about you. But what happens when you sneeze twice? Achoo! Achoo! That's right, someone is really gossiping. It's like the universe is sending you a double alert. Imagine this, you sneeze twice in a meeting, and suddenly everyone looks around suspiciously. Who's talking about me, you wonder. Meanwhile, your coworker is just trying to figure out if they should share their lunch with you or not. The divine interruption, a cosmic nudge. Sneezing twice can also be seen as a divine interruption. Picture this, you're deep in thought about your life choices, and then you sneeze. Achoo! The first sneeze is a gentle reminder from the universe to pay attention. The second sneeze? That's the universe practically shouting, "Hey! Wake up! Stop contemplating your next Netflix binge and start living." Good luck is coming, double blessings. In some cultures, sneezing twice is a sign of good luck. So, if you find yourself sneezing twice, achoo! Achoo! Take a moment to make a wish. Just don't wish for something outrageous, like a lifetime supply of sweets, unless you want to be buried under a mountain of candy. Release of stagnant energy, the cosmic cleanse. Ever feel like you're carrying around a bit of emotional baggage? Well, sneezing twice might just be your body's way of saying, time for a cleanse. The first sneeze releases the negativity, while the second sneeze welcomes in the positive vibes. So, if you're in a bad mood and suddenly sneeze twice, consider it a cosmic reset button. Just don't forget to say excuse me afterwards. A call for mindfulness, pay attention. When you sneeze twice, it can also serve as a reminder to be more present. It's like the universe is nudging you to stop scrolling through your phone and start enjoying the moment. So, the next time you sneeze twice in a row, achoo! Achoo! Put down the device and take a deep breath. Unless you're in a crowded elevator, then maybe just hold your breath. A sign of spiritual awakening, time to level up. In some spiritual circles, sneezing twice is viewed as a sign of awakening. It's as if your higher self is saying, "Congratulations, you're leveling up." So, if you find yourself sneezing twice while contemplating your next big life move, achoo! Achoo! Take it as a sign that you're on the right path. Just remember to keep your eyes open, especially if you're in public. An invitation to reflect, what's on your mind? Finally, sneezing twice can be an invitation to reflect on your thoughts. What were you thinking about when you sneezed? This could give you some insight into your current emotional state. So, next time you sneeze twice, achoo! Achoo! Take a moment to ponder, was it just a sneeze? Or was the universe trying to tell you something profound? Or just that you need to clean your house? Conclusion. While sneezing twice may seem like a simple bodily function, it can hold various spiritual meanings depending on cultural beliefs and personal interpretations. Whether it's a cosmic gossip alert, a divine nudge, or a reminder to reflect, the next time you sneeze twice, consider the deeper significance behind it. Who knows? It might just lead you to some enlightening insights and a good laugh. So, bless you twice. Achoo! Achoo!